Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add location on Snapchat story. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and take a photo or video you want to post to your story. Once you've taken your snap, tap the sticker icon on the right side of the screen. It looks like a small square with a folded corner. Then, from the sticker option, tap location. Then Snapchat will show a list of nearby places. Just tap the one you want to tag. You can move or resize the location sticker anywhere on your snap to make it look perfect. If you don't see any location, make sure your location services are turned on. Go to Settings, App, then search for Snapchat. Then go to Permissions and Locations. Then select Allow only while using the app. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.